All right, so we've got the Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream. I actually use this every single day. My skincare, I know some people have these super elaborate skincare routines where they do all these different things. My skincare routine consists, specifically talking about my face, consists of washing my face with soap, and when I get out of the shower, I put this on. And I actually already put it on, just put it on a few minutes ago, but just an example. I just do, sort of rub it in everywhere. I even put it on my neck. I don't really know why. I just do it. I just do it. But and I've been using this stuff. I don't think I used it when I was little, but I probably like when I was in high school, college. That's when I started using this stuff, and I use it religiously. And I'm 35 years old. I actually never really thought about never thought too hard about why I was doing it, but I actually think that it's helped long term. It's helped me stay looking young and all that. So, and on top of that, it's like if your skin's dry, it helps it. Hands, I do it. If my hands are ever chapped, I put it on my hands. And it's so good. It's so good. But I do it on my face every single day. So get it.